is for bear who naps in a bed. C is for cat who purrs all day. D is for dog who loves to play. A, B, C, D, come and sing with me. Letters, fun and free. E, F, G, we're learning fast. H, I, J, from first to last. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog who hops all day. G is for giraffe, tall and neat. H is for hippo with dancing feet. A, B, C, D, come and sing with me. Letters, fun and free. K, L, M, now don't be shy. N, O, P, reach for the sky. I is for igloo, cold and bright. J is for jelly that wiggles just right. K is for kite, flying up so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for noodles with lots of cheese. O is for octopus, deep in the sea. P is for penguin, dancing with glee. Q is for queen with a crown on her head. R is for rocket, zooming ahead. S is for snake that slithers slow. T is for train that's ready to go. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for van driving down the lanes. W is for whale who sings a tune. X is for xylophone, ding ding boom. Y is for yak with fluffy hair. Z is for zebra with stripes to stare. ABC, we've learned